Hello guys, I'm currently at the Oniru beach, which has been destroyed by the federal government because of the new coastal road that is about to be constructed. So I'm going there to show you guys around and let you know how it is. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. See you right there. See, all these places used to be a club where the ballers come, spend millions, thousands, hundreds of thousands, but now it's no more. Everywhere has been scattered, everywhere has been torn apart. I'm trying to go upstairs so I'll show you guys around. We're going to Gaje. So this is what it looks like. How far? So the government have scattered everywhere. Everywhere, like everywhere. Everywhere is torn apart. Normally this is where we come to spend, to ball, to flex life. But it's no more, as you can see. It is no more. Oh, what a pity, man. Those who have been to this place, they know what I'm talking about. This is Landmark Beach, where most here this place provide about 2,000 job opportunities for Nigerian youth. That's like this place provide means of survival for 2,000 Nigerian youths. But now it's no more. It's been scattered and everything looks like trash now. Those who once worked here, I know the pain they'll be feeling, but it has all happened and nothing can be done about it. The government has the final say, and actually I think it's also for the betterment of the country. But I don't know, this road, though it's not a 1 year project, but we just hope it's actually work out as planned so that it doesn't get abandoned along the line. And that's why we are just praying for the better Nigeria actually. So this is it. So this is it. These are the trucks walking on the road. Wow. I think there is a progress. There's actually I can even see some. I can see the road. Yeah. If you look closely, like, I think this is highest my camera can zoom. So if you look closely, you see the road is being constructed, like a lot of street lights. So this is it. This is Landmark Beach. That's Gumi River there. That's demolished. This is some contractors, some caterpillars. Works are still being done. If you look down, you see people breaking iron so they could sell and also make money. I don't know if this place is really strong, so I don't follow. But that's it though. So this is a 10 lane, that's 5 lane going, 5 lane coming, and it's under construction. And I'm happy for this construction, but I'm sad for the demolition, honestly. So what do you guys think about this? Let us know. Hennessy 250, show my lolly TT. This Hennessy VSOP. This is tequila. This used to be a club, but now it's nothing more than. This is the calculator. They use the calculator so that we spend in club over here. But now I just need to be careful so nails don't penetrate into my leg. So this is it, Joe. I'm trying to like go upstairs to show you guys more. So you see how this place truly looks. Okay. No. How far? So that's it. This is where they start to do Dorime, but it's no more. This is stripper stand. Now it's nothing more than trash. Nothing more than bag of waste. Man, this is painful, I can't lie. Wow. So this is it. This used to be the bedroom, the restroom where you come, pee, eat yourself, and do the necessary stuff. Everything is normal. And this is a ladies' restroom too. Everything is torn down and scattered. So moving on, I'm showing you that this used to be a VIP lounge. Yeah, a VIP lounge. But it's no more. This, you can see? Everything is gone. This is like a bedroom for the special people when they lodge. But nothing is working again. This is it. Okay. So they say landmark is gone. Everything is gone. Start afresh. You can see people walking, like everyone is trying to take out iron from the constructions that were destroyed, trying to take out the iron so they could sell and make money. That's what it feels like. Quick downfall, and we're all up to work.